Dear Isaac, kain mo yung mga gulay. You have to be a good boy. Pag hindi ka sumunod kay mami, papuluin ka, tsaka ita-turn out na ng ganun. So, sa turn out here. Tapos,
Be a good boy. Then think about it.
pag good boy ako, punta tayong Toys R Us. Tapos,
What do you want to become when you grow up?
good. Spell ko school. S-T-H-O-O-L.
Okay. What do you want to become when you grow up?
I'm gonna do engineer.
You want to become?
Engineer.
You want to become?
Engineer?
Yeah. I'm gonna look.
Wait, car?
I'm gonna look.
Car engineer?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sino ko yung likod?
Oh, ikaw din tingnan ko.
Hi.
Say hi to Lola.
Hi, Lola.
Lola Charing.
Hi, Lola Charing.
And tsaka, Tita Eileen.
Tita Eileen, hi.
And Stella.
Estella. Hi,
And-
Mrs.
And Brian.
Ryan, good morning.
Kwentuhan mo si Brian ng mga toys mo.
Sino si Brian?
Kumustahin mo si Ryan?
Ryan.
Si Ryan. Sino yun?
Baby.
Si Ryan?
Ay, oo nga pala. Kala ko yung Brian eh. Brian.
Okay. Si R.A.
Sorry.
Mamaya interview naman si Ate Nady at si Ate Carla.
Hi.
Si Ate Nady naman.
Hi.
What did you get for Christmas?
Stuffed animals. And
Look at us, Ate Nadine.
frogs, game board, and clothes. That's all.
That's all?
Yeah.
Sure?
I don't know. Batteries.
Like two.
Okay, that's all.
What are you doing right now?
Drawing a girl. Drawing myself. Go. Not done yet. That's not you. This is
Ooh,
you have no hair.
Look at that.
No, you got short hair. Okay.
Cool.
Bye bye.
Yeah.